Myself, Ajay Balachandran. I'm from Kerala. I'm a C3, C4 level spinal cord injured person. So my arm movements are restricted. So my challenge is that I can't use my phone when it's locked. Like we all know that we use Google Assistant for controlling our phone, like making calls, all those things. Google Assistant is a working option. So but the thing is that when the phone is locked, it cannot open the Google Assistant and we can't make the call. And we all know that we have to lock our phone sometimes, and that time the speech assistant is not working. So the solution here is that there is a series of phone from Redmi. It starts from Redmi 7 Pro and 8 Pro. All these model come with the Alexa built-in option. So if we search for Alexa built-in phone, we can see that there are phones which has Alexa built-in option, and the main functionality of this thing is that when the phone is in locked condition also, it can recognize the voice and it can turn on and it can assist us in whatever job we want. So let's see how it works. Here there are two phones. One is a Samsung phone and the next one is Redmi. Like both phone have what we say the Google Assistant. So let's see how it works. Both four phones are in locked condition. So let's see which one wakes up and helps us. Hey Google, call Vishnu.
Calling Vishnu Kanjiramkunam, mobile.
So the best recommended option for using the hands-free, if you would like to use phone as hands-free, then I would recommend going for a Alexa built-in phone. That could be much helpful. Hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.
Break Free Solutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery.